Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers. Today I am standing on the back of this 2026 Sea Ray 310 SLX. You can see this has the gray interior. We've got the nice layout sun pad back here. I'm walking on the swim platform right now, and then underneath that swim platform is a submersible swim platform. So when you're hanging out in the water, you got a place to lay out. We have a nice walkthrough with sea decking. The 310 is awesome. It's got tons of space for friends and family. You've got seating that wraps around with a table that's installed right there. You got the sink, a place to put some food, do some prep. You've got seating right here, storage underneath all the seats, storage in the floor. We got the dual co-captain's chairs with bolster. And then up at the captain's area, we got a same seat, dual captain's chair with bolster. We got the dual Simrad screens, touch screen, all sorts of information, the lighting, the engines. You've got the Fusion stereo system throughout, joystick control in the 310, and then a nice head, so you can see beautiful looking head. And then as we come to the front, the 310 has really big seating here in the bow, and then there's storage underneath the seat here on the starboard side. Another place for a table as well. Speakers, control for your windlass up front. 310 SLX, one of my favorites. Great boat for this area especially. Bring all your friends and family. This Sea Ray 310 is sitting right here on our Rogers showroom, so stop on by. We'd love to walk you through it.